Hello everyone, Matt that Tech Guy here. As you have seen, I have made a video about the ChatGPT and how to use the memory. And now I have also been creating a blog post on my webpage for the ChatGPT and how memory and setting work. And it's not that I'm going to talk about. I'm going to talk about something I noticed that was missing in System IO. And when I made this blog post, I wanted to create an table, and I didn't find anywhere in System IO where I could drag in a table. So I have to make one myself, and this is how it was built. You see, I have my orange color as I have, and when you hover the mouse over, you get this little lighter orange. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that if you want to use tables, you need to create them yourself in some way.